Are you ready to quit smoking for good? It's a question that holds the power to change your life dramatically. The decision to quit smoking, while challenging, is a choice that opens the door to numerous health benefits. Imagine your lungs working efficiently, not laboring under the burden of smoke and tar. Picture your heart, relieved of the constant strain, reducing the risk of heart disease. Visualize your body, free from the threat of cancer, thriving in a smoke-free environment. But the benefits of quitting smoking aren't just long-term. They start almost immediately. You'll notice that food tastes better, your sense of smell sharpens, and even the air seems fresher. And let's not forget the financial aspect. The money you save from not buying cigarettes can be used for things that truly enrich your life. Deciding to quit is the first major step towards a healthier lifestyle. That leads to a path of wellness, vitality, and longevity. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Once you've made the decision, it's time to prepare. Think of this as setting the stage for your grand performance. The first step is to set a quit date. This is your D-Day, the day you say goodbye to smoking for good. Next, you want to cleanse your environment. Remove all tobacco products from your space. Out of sight, out of mind, as they say. This includes cigarettes, ashtrays, lighters, and anything that might trigger your urge to smoke. Then it's time to rally your troops. Inform your friends and family about your decision. They are your cheerleaders, your support system. Their encouragement and understanding can be a crucial factor in your journey. Finally, consider seeking professional help. A healthcare provider or a quit line can offer expert advice and strategies tailored to your needs. They can guide you through this process, making it less daunting. Preparation is key in your journey to quit smoking. Quitting smoking is not easy, and withdrawal can be challenging. As you embark on this journey to a smoke-free life, you'll likely encounter a few roadblocks. Symptoms of withdrawal can include irritability, intense cravings, and even weight gain. But don't be discouraged. These are common experiences, and there are ways to alleviate them. Staying active is a powerful tool against withdrawal. Physical activity, like a brisk walk or a bike ride, can help distract you from cravings and boost your mood. Next, pay attention to your diet. Eating healthy, balanced meals can keep you feeling satisfied and curb the urge to smoke. Drinking plenty of water can also help flush out the nicotine from your system. Practicing relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or yoga, can help manage stress and reduce irritability. These methods can provide a sense of calm and control during this challenging time. Remember, withdrawal is temporary. It will pass. This journey is tough, but every step you take is a step towards a healthier, smoke-free life. Congratulations on your smoke-free life, but how do we ensure it stays that way? The key to staying smoke-free lies in your hands. It's about understanding your triggers and learning to avoid them. Perhaps it's that after-dinner cigarette or the one with your morning coffee. By recognizing these triggers, you can start to build new, healthier habits in their place. Stress management is another crucial strategy. Whether it's through exercise, meditation, or even just a good book, finding ways to relax and unwind can greatly reduce your cravings. Remember to celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Each smoke-free day is a victory and deserves to be recognized. This could be as simple as treating yourself to a favorite meal, or as significant as a vacation. Surround yourself with a supportive network. Friends, family, or a professional counselor can provide the encouragement you need to stay the course. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Keeping a smoke-free life is a continuous journey. You've got this.